Have you ever pondered what the future of content creation on YouTube might look like? As we step into the future, artificial intelligence is playing a bigger role in our lives than ever before, and YouTube content creation is no exception. Today we sit at the precipice of a revolution where AI tools are not just shaping, but dominating the landscape of video production. From AI-powered video editing software that can pick the best shots and trim unnecessary parts, to virtual beings that creators can transform into, AI is changing the game. But as with any revolution, there are fears. Some worry that these advancements may lead to AI replacing human creativity in content creation. However, it's essential to remember that AI tools are here to complement and enhance human creativity, not replace it. In this video, we will delve into how AI tools are revolutionizing the YouTube content creation process. First, let's explore how AI is transforming the tedious task of video editing. Visual storytelling has always been an intricate art, requiring a keen eye and hours of labor. But what if there was a way to simplify this process to make it more efficient? Enter AI-powered video editing software. These programs are like having an assistant editor who never tires, working round the clock, analyzing your footage frame by frame. Picture this. You've just spent an entire day filming. You're exhausted and you've got hours of footage to sift through. But instead of manually going through each shot, your AI software steps in. It scans your footage, identifying the best shots based on factors like lighting, composition, and even the expressions on people's faces. It's like having an expert film editor at your disposal, but without the hefty price tag. But it doesn't stop there. The AI can also trim unnecessary parts from your footage. Say goodbye to those awkward pauses or those scenes that just didn't quite hit the mark. The software can even suggest edits and provide smoother transitions, bringing a professional touch to your videos. Now, instead of spending countless hours on the editing process, creators can pour their energy into what they do best: crafting compelling stories and engaging content. This shift in focus can lead to more creativity and higher quality videos, which in turn can lead to increased viewer engagement. And let's not forget one of the most powerful aspects of AI. It learns. With each video you produce, the AI becomes more attuned to your unique style and preferences, becoming an even more efficient assistant over time. So what's the impact here for creators? It's massive. It's about freeing up time, improving the quality of content, and allowing for more creative freedom. AI in video editing is not just a tool, it's a game changer. It's about opening up new possibilities and redefining what it means to create. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Moving on, let's meet the new stars of YouTube, the virtual YouTubers. These are not your average YouTubers. They're AI-generated characters, bringing a whole new level of creativity to the platform. Virtual YouTubers, or VTubers as they're commonly known, are becoming increasingly popular, and it's not hard to see why. These digital personas possess their own unique personalities and can interact with audiences in real time, making them incredibly engaging. They're created using AI technology, with creators being able to design and control their virtual alter egos right down to intricate facial expressions and movements. This offers a whole new realm of possibilities for storytelling. Imagine a world where you can turn yourself into any character you dream up and bring it to life on screen. A world where you can create a virtual personality that is captivating, charismatic, and compelling. This is the world VTubers are creating. And it's a world that's captivating audiences around the globe. But it's not just about the novelty factor. VTubers are enhancing the way creators engage with their audiences. They can react to comments, answer questions, and even host live streams, all in real time. This level of interaction is taking audience engagement to new heights. Additionally, the AI that powers these virtual beings is constantly learning and evolving. This means that over time, these characters can become even more lifelike and interactive, further enhancing the viewer experience. But let's not forget the creators behind these virtual personalities. It's their creativity, their vision, and their storytelling abilities that breathe life into these characters. The AI is just a tool that's enabling creators to push the boundaries of what's possible on YouTube and engage with their audiences in new, exciting ways. In the world of content creation, the rise of VTubers is a game changer. They're not just a passing trend, they're redefining how creators tell stories and engage with their audiences. Virtual beings are not just a novelty, they are redefining how we engage with our audiences. Now let us consider how AI is impacting the way creators develop content ideas. It's like having a silent brainstorming partner that never sleeps. AI-powered algorithms can process vast amounts of data in an instant, identifying trends that might take a human weeks to spot. It's like having a bird's-eye view on what's popular, what's emerging, and what's fading away. Imagine being able to tap into a global conversation to see the ebb and flow of interests, passions, and ideas. Algorithms can analyze these trends, providing insights that can inform and inspire content creation. This helps creators stay ahead of the curve, ensuring their content remains relevant and engaging. But it's not just about trends. AI is also helping creators understand their audience on a deeper level. By analyzing audience preferences, AI can provide insights into what resonates with viewers. Is it humor, inspiration, education? By understanding what viewers want, creators can tailor their content to better connect with their audience. Furthermore, AI can help with keyword research, a crucial aspect of SEO. By identifying high-performing keywords related to a creator's content, AI can suggest topics that are likely to perform well. This not only helps creators optimize their content strategies, but also increases the likelihood of their videos being discovered. AI is not just a tool, it's a strategic partner in content creation. It offers insights and suggestions that can help creators optimize their content strategies, understand their target audience better, and ultimately create more engaging and relevant videos. But remember, while AI provides valuable data and insights, the final decision always rests with the creator. The art of content creation lies in the ability to take these insights and weave them into compelling stories that captivate audiences. So, while AI is undoubtedly revolutionizing content creation, it's the creators, their unique perspectives, their creativity, their passion, that truly make the magic happen. AI is not just a tool, it's a strategic partner in content creation. But with all these advancements comes a fear. Will AI replace human creators? It's a question that hangs heavy in the air, casting a shadow over the glittering prospect of AI-enhanced content creation. The concern is not unfounded. After all, if algorithms can edit videos, generate characters, and even guide content strategy, what's stopping them from taking over the whole show? But here's where we need to draw a line in the silicon sand. AI, no matter how advanced, will never be able to replace human creators. Why? Because creativity is not just about technology, it's about the human touch, the passion, the authenticity that breathes life into the content we create. It's about the unique perspectives that we bring, the personal experiences that color our narratives, the emotional connections that we foster with our viewers. AI algorithms can analyze trends, yes. They can identify the best shots, trim unnecessary parts, and even suggest edits for smoother transitions. But can they understand the subtle nuances of human emotion? Can they capture the heart and soul of a story? Can they engage with audiences on a deeply personal and emotional level? The answer is no. AI tools are just that, tools. They're here to assist us, to make our lives easier, to help us create better content. But they can never replicate the spark of human creativity, the warmth of human passion, the genuineness of human authenticity. They can never replace us. So, instead of fearing AI, we should embrace it. We should see it as a powerful assistant that can empower us to create more engaging and relevant content. We should harness its potential to revolutionize the way we create, to elevate our craft to new heights. In the end, it's not about AI versus humans. It's about AI and humans working together to create a more vibrant, more exciting, more inclusive world of content creation. AI should be seen as an assistant that empowers creators, not a threat to their craft. As we venture into this new era of content creation, it's clear that AI tools are revolutionizing YouTube. We've seen how these tools are transforming the landscape of video editing, making it more efficient and freeing up creators to focus on the creative aspects of their content. We've witnessed the rise of virtual YouTubers, AI-generated characters that bring a new layer of engagement and excitement to the platform. These advancements are not just changing how content is produced, but also how it's strategized. AI algorithms are now capable of analyzing trends, audience preferences, and keyword research, providing valuable insights that can help creators tailor their content to their audience's tastes. This is an incredible opportunity for creators to optimize their content strategies and create more engaging and relevant videos. Yet, amidst all these advancements, it's natural to feel a sense of apprehension. The fear that AI might one day replace human creators is a valid concern. However, it's crucial to remember that AI is a tool designed to assist and empower creators, not to replace them. The creativity, passion, and authenticity that human creators bring to their content are irreplaceable. AI tools can enhance these qualities, but they cannot replicate them. So, as we step into this new era, let's view AI not as a threat, but as an ally. An ally that can help us streamline our processes, optimize our strategies, and engage our audiences in innovative ways. Let's embrace these tools and use them to our advantage, to evolve our content and take our creativity to new heights. Remember, it's the creators, their unique perspectives, and their dedication to their craft that make YouTube great. So welcome these AI tools, evolve your content, and continue to create in this new era of content creation. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to confirm that you've received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video on the screen. Thanks for watching.